So let them improve the government universities. Going on, increasing the number of the private universities? Why? Is it commercial, as our Honorable Justice of Supreme Court yesterday said? Is education is for sale? Can't you give a good ambient situation for the students to study in the hostel? Why we want to introduce new universities, private universities? Please, my request is, look after the universities, look after the poor students. After that, we'll think it over.
During Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit in the coming days, we are seeing that few groups are planning to protest, and also we saw that you also mentioned that a few groups are also planning to protest here at Rajbhavan. How do you see all of this?
No, for clarification, for this problem only they told. If it is this problem, I have clarified, no.
But what do you see?
No, that every visit should be, visit is for introducing a good project to the state of Telangana. So it should be taken in a positive way. That is my request.
Today the Kerala government has passed an ordinance asking for the governor not to be the chancellor of the varsities there. This debate seems to be there across states, whether it's Tamil Nadu or Telangana as well. We understand that Telangana is also considering something like that. What is your comment on that? Because is it linked to the fact that there is an accusation that either side has political motivation when they appoint vice chancellors?
No, this is a subject of debate, for a big debate, but I feel for years the chancellors or the governors, and particularly in Telangana, I communicated with all the universities, and there should not be any political interference with the appointment of vice chancellors. That is the motto, that chancellors of universities are governors. But even there, politicizing the universities are there, so only the state government wanted to interfere with the universities. According to me, the chancellors who are, then another thing, the higher education minister is there, and higher education secretary is there. Governors are not taking care of the universities, they are following the universities, they are guiding the universities. So it is apt that governors should be the chancellors. That is my view.
Madam,
I have to assess it. I have to assess it. I have to analyze the situation, then only I can.
Madam, since
there is no any time limit. There is no any time limit. Governor can take the time she wants or he wants to assess whether to see the legal implications and to assess whether it is successfully implemented in other states. There is no any time limit. And it is very clearly said there is no any time limit for the governor to clear a bill.
Madam, since
the accusation being that the governor can stall the law, whatever the move of the government, you can stall it and become an appellate authority in that sense.
No, every governor or every person who has the right to endorse it has a right to assess it also. So they may take some time, it is individual, it is according to the individual governor's capacity and individual governor's mode of action, they may take. I cannot comment on other governors and how long it is pending. Everyone has some, they may assess it individually, they may have individual problems in assessing it.
Madam, since 2018, you are just blaming the government. Since 2018 in Osmania University, there is no admission into PhD in Urdu. So just blaming the government, and like what have you done for the Urdu in Osmania University and other?
No, whenever there is appeal from the universities or the students, I have communicated the concerned authorities, and I have help the students in whatever may be. Even in the recently JNT University students met me, and I called the university vice chancellor and then I interacted with him whatever the way I could help the students. I have helped them. So I tell Raj Bhavan is open to the public, Raj Bhavan is open to the press.